No, I'm really proud of the effort of the players, especially because we didn't start very good the game, and not only us. I think that someone more make the mistake in the first goal, not our players, and they score, and they were better in some minutes. But I think that with the goal that we score with Bryson, and I think that we play a good game, and again, the only thing that we can do is congratulate the players and the crowd, because the atmosphere was very, very good. Very good. I'm not really surprised about because I know them very good from most of them 2-3 seasons, but most of the players, I think that even Boris, that the action I watched just now that was onside. The action that he missed was a pity, but Boris and Ravi in the right side with Udanta, every Indian player, foreigners also, no? But I like the question, because it's true that sometimes we speak of the foreigners, and I think that the Indian players, Tabora, Ayush, everyone who play, Akasangwan, Sandesh, Nemil, all players, obviously Bryson will be top in India for sure, and all players, Ritik, all players were very good, and even there is one player that you will listen a lot in the future, that is Ronnie, the center back. This guy will be a very good player. Also, I'm very, very, very satisfied, very proud of the effort of all the team, and because your question of the Indian players.